Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the extra chain links are removable. This saves time and prevents damage. Once identified, lay the watch face down on a soft cloth so you don't scratch it. Make sure to have a steady light and gather a spring bar tool, a small screwdriver, and needle nose pliers. These items let you push pins or loosen screws precisely. Start at the clasp end. Removing links near the clasp keeps symmetry. Take a deep breath. Steady your hands, and push once the first pin is visible, position the band over a small block or folded cloth so the pin can exit cleanly. You push pins in the arrow direction. This reduces bending and keeps the pin straight. If links use screws, turn them counterclockwise slowly with a proper screwdriver so you don't strip the head. Make sure to remove equal numbers from each side of the clasp for balance. Keep tiny parts in a tray. Once out, compare the gap and test the fit before reattaching. Finish by lining up the remaining links and reinserting the original pins or screws. Push or turn them until they sit flush and secure. Once done, fasten the clasp and try the watch on. It should sit snug but comfortable. If the clasp binds or the band is crooked, make sure pins are fully seated and facing the correct direction, and then retighten. If a pin won't move, stop, reverse partially, and inspect for debris or bent metal before forcing it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.